You've probably heard people say they make money online while they sleep with affiliate marketing. But nobody shows you how to actually build a website step by step in simple language as a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple affiliate marketing website with WordPress using AI to speed things up, even if you've never built a website before. By the end of this video, you will have a live WordPress website built with the help of AI, a clear niche idea for your affiliate sites, your first affiliate article structure, and real affiliate links placed on your site, ready to earn once you get traffic. So let's start from the very beginning. Before we build anything, what is an affiliate website? Affiliate marketing is when you recommend products or services, and when someone clicks your special link and buys, you earn a commission. An affiliate website is just a website that shares helpful content about a topic, recommends relevant products, uses special affiliate links to track clicks and sales. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple site where we help people choose, and we'll add affiliate links to products they can buy. Step 1, choose a simple niche. Don't overthink. For beginners, a good affiliate niche is something you understand or can research easily, has products people buy online, not too broad, not too tiny. Examples: budget home office gadgets for remote workers, study tools for university students, beginner WordPress tools, and plugins. In this video, I'll choose the niche, study tools for students, so you can follow along. You can use the same structure for any similar niche. Just swap the topic and products. Step 2, set up WordPress and use AI to generate the basic sites. I'll move quickly here because I have other videos that show this in more detail, but you can follow along. Get hosting and a host. Get hosting and domain. Choose a host that supports WordPress and ideally has an AI website builder or support an AI builder plugin. So let's see what it looks like here. So here we have Namecheap as the hosting company, and we're going with the Stellar hosting plan. And then you enter the domain name which you want. If it's an existing one, you can put it there. But if it's a new one, you search for the domain name. So in this case, we are going with studytoolshub.com. Here you have the price, $5.98 per year, and it renews at 18.48. And there you have the price of the hosting, which is $22.88 per year. And then you connect to hosting, you add to carts, and then you check the information to be sure of what you've picked. Then you apply. Okay, then you confirm order, make payments. Once you make payments, there will be a link that will be sent to your email. That is the email that you have. And the link is going to help you to log in into your cPanel. Now, the cPanel is where you will be able to carry out this necessary customization. So you locate WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And when the screen loads, you click on Install a fresh WordPress. The next thing is you're going to select the domain name which you've purchased. We will set the site name later on, and then we can also put the site description. Then we'll put the admin username and the password. Now, we have Extendify, which is an AI website builder. I have a video on this using an AI website builder. So in this particular video, we are not going to use an AI website builder. We're going to use an AI plugin to build our websites. All right. And then you put in the installation email and you click install. As you can see, there are two main links after the WordPress has been installed. The first link will link to the site that has just been set up. As you can see, it is fresh. There's no major content. Then the second link would log you into the backend of the site, which is the dashboard. The next thing is we're going to pick a theme. We're going to click on add theme. We're going to use the Astro theme. You click install, activate. Once you activate it, it's going to bring in other menu into the WordPress dashboard, as you can see here. The next thing is we're going to install a plugin. So you click on add plugin and we're going to type starter. We click install. So as you can see, starter template is an AI powered template for Elementor and Gutenberg. So this is the AI tool that will bring in our content automatically. All right. So we've installed and activated it. And so here is the setup process. So let's get started. It's important that you put in all your information in this place. You're also free to skip. You can check. All right. You click on continue if you are pleased with that. All right. So at this point, we have the AI starter template. We're going to click on that. We do not want to use the classic starter templates. So we're going to enter the name of the site. So in this case, Study Tools Hub. You put in what the site is for. In this case, we're choosing an agency. You click next, and then describe the Study Tools Hub in a few words. So you can put in a sentence or two sentences, and you can have AI help you generate full description of the site. So in this case, I have blog that reviews and compares study tools for students. I click next, and then I improve using AI. Of course, you go through what has been generated by AI. Be sure that it represents exactly what you have in mind. You use, and then you click next. It's important that you put in your email, phone number, and address. This particular AI plugin is going to generate as many images that would be good for your site. So you select as many of the images as you want. These images will be used to build your website and make it look professional. So when you're through, click next. So the site is being generated. That's the entire layout of the site is being generated. Now I want you to watch out for the design. It says you should choose a design. Okay, so here are the layouts that has been generated by AI. You can see that they are very beautiful. We have some premium and we have some that are free. If you're going to choose the premium, it's going to be you're going to pay. So watch out for the design. We have the block editor and we have the Elementor. Both of them could be used as builders, to build the site. But I would go with Elementor because it makes it easy to, drag and drop different widgets on the site. So you scroll to see the best ones you want. So in my case, I'll choose option 5. All right, as you can see, the layout is beautiful, very clean. You can put in your logo here if you choose, or you can put it later on. Now, I'm going to show you how you can put the logo later on. You can change the typography, you can change the color palette, and set as many things as possible from here. And then you click on continue. Here you have some other features on the site. You're free to choose any one you want, but we are okay with this. We have the blog, page builder, contact form, SEO and search visibility, automation, and integrations. If you want to add other ones, of course, you're free to click. Then click on start building. Now, it's important that you link the starter template to this account, okay? Because they are the one powering the AI builder. You have to link your website to it. That's one of the difference between AI website builder and building with WordPress. So all the content page structure will be supplied by this particular company, okay? But if it's a WordPress website, you're going to build the entire structure, the images and everything. You bring everything and you arrange it yourself. That is one of the differences. You need to sign up. And once you sign up, you have the Starter Pro and other version, but we are going with the free version. Now, with this free version, you have 2 AI sites you can generate from this. All right, so it's being connected. All right, so the builder is connected to the website already, and you can proceed. Confirm and proceed. So here is the process of building the site with AI. After some minutes, it's done. You can see. So let's see the website. Cool. This site is looking clean and beautiful. Look at the homepage. Everything is well arranged. So affiliate sites usually need to at least have the homepage going to have the about section. You're going to have a blog, a contact, So let's see. Here you have the about page. Look at it, looking very clean. Here you have the offerings. These are more like what this site offers. And you have the blog section. Okay, so we're going to work on the blog section. And here you have the contact page. Okay, of course. So we move over to the home page. I want us to edit the home page. I want us to change a few things like the text, the image, so that you can see how you can easily replace a few things. Okay, so here is the Elementor page builder. Now let's edit the text. So you click on that pencil icon, and you can change the title, or you can edit the title with AI, whichever one you prefer. So in this case, we want to put best study tools for students or for serious students. Okay, so here it is. And you can also change the description. You can change the text in the button, or you can change the link. Now, let's change the image that we have. When you click on that style and then you pick the image, now you can upload an image. Okay, so just download an image on your system and you can just drag and drop it here, or you click on the upload files and you select the file from your system. So you must have downloaded the image that you want and ensure that it's a good quality image and the size is not too much. So here we have this image, 79 kilobytes, and then you select. Once you select, as you can see, the image is already there. It has replaced the one that was there before. We're still going to replace it later on. Then when you're done, you will publish. Once you publish, you can refresh the site and let's see the changes that has been made. Beautiful. Best study tools for students. So it has been changed. Likewise, the image. I want us to customize a few things on the site, such as the logo. Okay, so let's click on customize. On the left-hand side, when it loads, we go over to the header, that's on the left-hand side, and we go to where we have site title and logo. So from here, you can set the site title and also the description. You can change the logo. Right now, the site title is the description. All right, so here you have the tagline. We're going to change the tagline. So we'll make it honest reviews and guides for students. Another thing we want to do is we don't want the site title to be the logo. Okay. So one thing we can do is we can click on each of those. Okay. We click on that to remove it as a title, as a logo. Then we click on select logo. So we've uploaded a logo on the site. Of course, you know how to upload a logo. So here we have some logo which we've made. So we're going to bring in that, select, and skip cropping. It's looking okay. All right, so here we've brought in the logo, also the retina logo, but when you look at it, it's white. You'll find out that the logo is white, both the text and the image that you have in the logo, they are white. So, and that's because of a setting that we need to change. It's being set to transparent header. So we have to change that. So go to customize transparent header. Okay, it's been enabled on complete site, which is okay. Now we want to change it. So we also upload the logo here. This is the real color of the logo as you have it. So what we need to do is to go to design. Here you can see that the logo has a color which is white that has been set as a default. So we're going to clear it. We're going to clear the white. And once you clear it, you can see that the real color of the logo now is out. Then you publish. Okay, now let's go to our site and see if there has been a change already. Perfect. So there you have the color that's changed. So that's how you customize the site title and the logo. The next step is that we want to use an AI tool to draft our first article or blog, and we can improve on it. Now we create one simple blog post that compares, a few product, or let's just say service. Okay. So for example, we have 5 best study lamps for late night reading, top 7 budget keyboards for students, best free tools for online learning. Now, you see these topics, these are topics that are related to the title okay, to the sites that we just built using AI. And so we're going to go for the last one, which is the best free tool. So let's generate some text using ChatGPT, and let's see what it gives to us. All right. So as you can see here, you have some tools that is being generated from ChatGPT. But for this particular tutorial, we already have a particular text that we've already developed. So that is the one we are going to make use of. Okay, so we're going to create a post, okay? And that post will be on that blog. So let's go to add new posts. Very important, you have to add a title for your post. So in this particular case, we're choosing best free tools for online learning for serious students. You choose a category, general, and you can add tags to it. When you're through with that, you save draft. Now, we do not want to publish it yet because we've not added the content. Another thing you can add here is to add the featured image, but we're not going to add the featured image here. I will show you another way you can add it. So click on edit with Elementor. So here we are creating a blog post. All right, so here you have the title and you have by, okay, all this can be removed when you customize. All right, so now we want to add the featured image, as you can see. So that's the featured image, and then we select. You're free to add an excerpt, a short description of what this blog post is about. Put it there. And over here, we want to add the content of the blog post. So you click on that plus sign. Okay, and then you click that plus and go to the text editor. Now we're going to copy and paste the blog post that we have already created for this particular. So here you have it. So as you can see, it is in sections. So it's important that it has section, so you create an outline for the blog post. And of course, you should have an intro. You should have maybe the tools that you're talking about, and you should have a short conclusion as you have it here. So make sure that when you are using the draft generator, you go through it to be sure. And if you need to edit, of course, you edit. Now, the step 5, we want to join an affiliate program and add our first link. You can start with big programs like Amazon's affiliate program, local e-commerce sites in your region, or software tools if your niche is digital. Now, there's a general process for this. The first thing is that you search for the particular product affiliate program or the service affiliate program. But in this case, we're going to Amazon. So we have Amazon Associates. Then number 2 is that you create an account and you're going to see the process here and you wait for approval. Once approved, you will get a way to create special affiliate links for individual products. All right, so let's go on. So here we're going to type in affiliates, Amazon affiliate program. Okay. So once you have done that, then you go to the site and it's asking us to sign up. Now we've already signed in originally. So once we click on sign up, it just takes us into the site. So it's very easy for you to sign up. Just put your name and your email and you get some confirmation. But the process of registering as an associate, here you're going to have it. We click sign up. Here you put in your details like the payee name, the address, the city. All of these are very important in the process. Then you put in your site URL, you click add. Once you've added, you click next. Of course, this is not for under 13, so you click no and confirm. Afterwards, you put in your associate store ID, that is the name without a space in between. Tell Amazon about the content you want to create. In this case, we are going with blog. You agree to the terms and condition and finish. There's a next and important stage here, which is to enter my payment and tax information. This is important to complete the entire process, but we can still do a few things. Okay, so we're going to Amazon now, and all right, so here is my dashboard. As you can see, there's nothing. Okay, so let's go to Amazon and let's see how we are going to link a product to our site to make it an affiliate site. So let's just put in Notepad or notebook for students. Here you have several notepads or notebooks. We're interested in this particular one, so we click on it. And once we've clicked on it, Now, you will find out that there is a link at the top, that is at the URL section, that's at the top. That's the normal link that goes to the page, okay? That goes to the page where you have the products. But in our case, we're going to get another link because we are an associate. So we click on get link. Now, once you click on get link, this link is specially for for me, especially for me as an associate, or because I'm running an affiliate with Amazon. Okay, so this is the link that I'm going to use. I could either use the short link or the full link as shown there. So any of the link, I could use any of them. So I'm going to copy the link. Now, normally I'm meant to click on that get link that is there, but because I have not completed the tax aspect, that's why I'm not able to click on that get link. Okay, so I've copied the link. Then I'll go over to my blog. Now, there's a step here, which is where you bring in the media. Yeah, and how do you do that? You do that by clicking on that, on going to the exact place where you want your image to be, for example, and then you click on that add media and you select the image you want. Once you select the image you want, it will come into the page you've built. Okay. Now, we want to link the products. So here we have notebook. So we highlight it and we click on that hyperlink sign. We're going to highlight notebook. Now take note that the notebook that we are looking at in this particular site is not a physical notebook, but we are using a notebook as an example, like a physical notebook. The notebook that's been referred on this site is a digital tool. We are going to highlight the notebook. We click the hyperlink to insert your link, and then click on that settings, open link in a new tab, very important, and then we want to link this image as well. You can also link the image by clicking on the image, click on the hyperlink, you insert your image, and then you allow it to open in a new tab, and then you publish. Once you publish, you check, then you refresh the site, you click on notebook, and then it opens that particular page where you want to purchase from. Take note that it is now your link. Also, the image, when you click on it, it's going to open that particular page. So don't forget that you make your affiliate content clear and also make it very clickable. To improve your chance of getting clicks, use clear buttons like view on Amazon or see today, or you have an image just as we have there. You can even use AI-powered affiliate plugins to auto-generate product boxes based on your content. But for now, manual links are enough. So what happens is that once someone goes to your product, goes to that post and sees the link, and then ends up in Amazon to make a purchase, there's a commission that will be deposited in your account, and you'll be notified once someone has purchased. It will be recommended that if you have such affiliate sites, you look for how to build traffic to the site so that you can have more chances of people going to your blog posts. So you can have several blog posts and have several products or services that you promote on the site, and from there you can get more commissions. Let's quickly recap what we did. You picked a simple niche for your affiliate site. You set up a WordPress website and use AI to generate the basic layout and starter content. You created your first helpful article structure with AI, then edited it in your own voice. You joined an affiliate program, in this case Amazon, and added real affiliate links to your posts. Now, you officially have a basic affiliate website live. If you followed along, you now have everything you need to keep going. Write more helpful posts using the same process. Gradually improve your design and speed, and test different products and topics inside your niche. If this video helped you, please like it so more beginners can find it. Comment below and tell me, what niche did you choose for your affiliate site? And what kind of products are you planning to promote? Subscribe to AI WordPress Web with the Faith for more AI plus WordPress tutorials.